beautiful soul all over the world. Welcome to my YouTube channel Learn English with Nisha. So my friend, today's video is going to be very important. So stay connected with this video till the end. My friend, there are many learners in beginner category and I have found three category of them. First, I have found who has understanding but unable to speak. पहले ऐसे बिगनर हैं जो समझ तो लेते हैं लेकिन इंग्लिश बोल नहीं पाते हैं. सेकेंड, आई हैव फाउंड हु हैज़ लिटिल अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑल्सो एबल टू स्पीक लिटिल बिट लाइक ब्रोकन. थोड़ी थोड़ी समझ भी लेते हैं और थोड़े बहुत ब्रोकन इंग्लिश बोल भी लेते हैं. नाउ थर्ड कैटेगरी ऑफ बिगनर हु हैज़ नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग also unable to speak means neither have understanding nor able to speak means totally completely beginner जिनको न तो समझ है न अंडरस्टैंडिंग है और ना ही इंग्लिश बोल पाते हैं, completely zero हैं such beginners. So my friend, this video I am creating for such beginner who are completely beginner and moreover belong to Hindi medium background. And what is special for them in this video? So my friend, I am going to give you a best method to start practicing speaking English, and moreover if you use it, if you apply it, you will start describing your things, your activity, your surrounding in English. So my friend, this is the best method. Why? See, there are many methods to start speaking English, but my friend, all are not suitable for you. All are not workable for you according to your level and requirement. So according to your level and requirement, you have to find suitable workable method for you. By using that, you can start speaking, practicing, describing your things activity instantly. For that, you will not have to wait for 2 to 3 weeks. And that's why my friend, I am telling to you this is the best method for truly beginner and especially who belongs to Hindi medium. And why my friend, I am telling to you this is the best method, workable method in your case. Why? Because I was also in the same category, same beginner category, truly beginner, not have understanding, also not able to speak. But I am not suggesting you. Why? Because I have applied it. No, before apply it, I had applied other method to start speaking, practicing my English. But none of them worked in case of me. Those method could work but could take more time like 1 month as I didn't have understanding. मेरा अंडरस्टैंडिंग इंग्लिश में नहीं था, मैं बोल नहीं पाती थी, तो वो मेथड मेरे केस में वर्क करते लेकिन मुझे उसमें टाइम ज़्यादा देने की ज़रूरत थी. इन 1 week and 2 week I didn't get any kind of improvement. That's why I thought I made my mind to change, to not to follow those method. But when it came to using, applying this method, translating method, my friend, I saw the improvement from first day. I was able to describe my work, my activity in English by taking time and translating, but I was able to do. I was, doing any work, so I was able to tell at least by translating, but I was that मैं काम कर रही हूँ. So I am working. This is the present continuous tenses. I knew tenses, and on the base of that, I was able to do. I was able to make in English. I was able to explain in English. And that's how I found this method, best method for me, and this is also going to be best method for you. In your case also, you are also going to start speaking instantly. Why? Because you know the tenses. If you don't know, then work on this. Everybody have studied tenses during the school time, so you must have remember. Just you need to practice it. And my friend, why you need to work on tenses? Because whatever we describe about past, future, present, these all are based on tenses. Okay, if you know the tenses, then you can speak English at least 70%, 75%. You are able to speak, you will speak, my friend. So just you need to know only tenses, then you are able to speak English, you are able to describe your things, your activity, your surrounding on the base of it. But initially, you will have to take the help of translating. You will do translation in Hindi, then English, then speak. But at least you are going to speak. But coming to applying other method, you can't. Why? Because firstly you will have to build understanding, and that understanding is not going to build in 1 day, in 2 day, in 1 week. No, for that you will have to give 1 month, 2 month, then you will become able to start speaking. But coming to in this method, you will start from first day. Now question will arise in your mind, as you have heard many times, that if you want to become fluent, then stop translating Hindi to English. Why? Because in this way you can't become fluent. So my friend, this is not true. You can become fluent speaker. If I talk about me, so I started my journey, speaking journey, by translating method. I used to do translation first in Hindi, then into English. That's how I started. But see, my friend, simultaneously I used to listen, I used to read, work on vocabulary, I used to work on this part as well, consistently every single day. And that's how, my friend, by listening, by reading, my mind, you know, understood the pattern of transforming the sentences, structure of sentences, everything automatic. It started understanding all the pattern, and gradually, it become habitual to speak, to think, to transform the sentences. Why? Because by listening and reading, it was getting more clear and understandable in terms of transforming sentences, in terms of explaining, speaking. And that's how automatic, gradually I stopped translating Hindi to English and directly start thinking, speaking in English. I didn't do anything else for eliminating this method. No, I started by translating method, but my listening, my reading, my working on vocabulary consistently, it helped me to eliminate Hindi to English translation. It became habitual, it understood, it got clearly, and then my mind started thinking, understanding. I started speaking without translation, and that's how I removed translating Hindi to English. Now I speak without translating. I can think in English, I can speak in English, I can explain in English. So, my friend, same you can also become, but this time as a beginner. For starting your speaking instantly, I am suggesting you this method, because this is only one method in your case, according to your level and understanding, is best. By using this, you can start speaking instantly, but simultaneously you have to do listening, reading, working on vocabulary with consistency, and that's how that translating Hindi to English then speak will eliminate automatic. You will not have to do something for that. And that's how, my friend, you will start thinking, speaking, explaining, and become fluent in speaking English. And that's how you can become fluent speaker. So, my friend, don't worry about the fluency, that if you apply this then you are not going to become. Just think about present time, how you can start speaking, practicing. Only think about this one on starting, because starting is the hard. Okay, starting is the hard and difficult step. If you once do this, cross it, then your next journey, further journey, is going to be easier for you. So my friend, just focus on this time, how you can start and how you can speak, practice. And I am telling you with my 100 belief and experience, this is the best method for you if you are truly completely beginner, and you should start in this way. And that's how you are going to definitely speak, practice. So that's what, my friend, I wanted to share in this video for such beginners, for truly beginner, for starting their speaking journey. If they really want to start and speak English, fulfill their dream speaking English. So my friend, this video is going to be very helpful, fruitful for you. So don't wait and waste your time. Start from today and watch. We will meet in next video with new something helpful for you, for your English journey. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a lovely day.